Easy Handrail is ideal for both professional and do-it-yourself installations, since no special tools or skills are required. Whether installed at your home, business, or commercial project, you can rest assured the 25-year finish warranty and low maintenance of Easy Handrail will provide years of satisfaction and safety. In this video, we will show you how to plan and install the 1-inch square baluster railing between easy posts or existing posts. Check out the Easy Post installation video. Before you start, ensure you have the proper tools. Level, saw, chop saw, 60 to 80 tooth wood blade, safety glasses, 5/16" hex bit driver, 1/4" hex bit driver, long shaft is helpful, tape measure, pencil, drill, 2 small pieces of 2x4 board to support railing during installation, ear protection, railing assembly and installation. Measure the distance between your posts from the inside edges. Divide the distance between posts by 2 to find the center of the railing and mark the bottom channel and top snap. Adjust accordingly to ensure fastener holes line up. Place your marked bottom channel and top snap between the 2 posts, visually centering. Mark 1/4" shorter on each side of the inside post-to-post measurement. There must be at least 1 3/4" distance from the end of the rail to the fastener hole to allow for the mounting bracket to fit appropriately. When satisfied, make your cuts. Cut top cap using the top snap as a template. Place pre-drilled bottom channel on its side, protecting the painted surface from scratching. Position one baluster on the flat side of bottom channel, aligning the pre-drilled holes. Start both 1.5" fasteners through bottom channel halfway into baluster. Repeat these steps until all balusters are secured. Place pre-drilled top snap on the top of balusters. Loosely fasten first and last baluster to the top snap, making sure the pre-drilled holes are correctly aligned. Next, loosely fasten remaining balusters. Next, dial down your drill setting and tighten all screws, ensuring pickets are straight. Number 18 on most drills works best. Do not over-tighten. Align the top cap with your top snap, making sure one end is flush. Starting at one end, squeeze the top cap and top snap together until it pops in place. Continue snapping down the top cap until reaching the end of your railing. Slide the top post brackets and bottom post brackets over the ends of your railing. Set 2x4 board on 2-inch side under railing section, then place assembled railing section between posts. Center brackets on posts and mark fastener hole locations. Pre-drill fastener holes with 1/8" drill bit. Then fasten railing brackets in place with 1-inch fasteners. After railing is securely in place, pilot and secure fastener through bracket into top and bottom rail on non-visible side of railing. Mid-support stabilizer for 8-foot sections. Using the pre-drill pilot holes, attach top snap on the top of the mid-support, creating a T configuration as shown with 1.5" fasteners. Once your railing is installed, place mid-support at center of rail. If necessary, measure from decking to bottom snap and cut the mid-support proper height. Snap the top snap section of the mid-support to the bottom rail of your railing section. Note, upward pressure must be applied to your railing section in order to slide and snap the mid-support stabilizer in place. Thank you for watching this video. View our installation instructions on our website at easyhandrail.com. For questions about the installation of your Easy Handrail, call 573-365-7085 or email support@easyhandrail.com. Additional Easy Handrail products available at Home Depot. Thank you for watching this video.